Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Dear brothers and sisters,
welcome in How to Perform Umrah and Hajj series of video lectures by Baloch from Mufakirin. Episode 8, Ihram Restrictions.
Please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell button so you get a notification every time I post a new video. If you have already subscribed, thank you very much. Hit the thumbs up button if you like this video, or hit the thumbs down button if you don't like this video. What do you think about this video? Let me know in the comments. Now let's move to the main episode.
In this episode we will discuss the different restrictions of Ihram. What are the general restrictions in the Ihram? Applying perfumes or fragrances, or using a soap or shampoo or gel which contains fragrance. The fragrance of any kind is not allowed during the Ihram. When you are performing your ghusl, when you have apply it before wearing the Ihram, you can apply non-alcoholic perfumes or ether, which is a scent oil, before wearing your Ihram. You can use shampoo, soap, but before Ihram. Once you put the Ihram clothes, you are not supposed to use any fragrance on the clothes or on the body, and then cutting nails or pulling nails or breaking nails or even hairs is not allowed. It's restricted. Cutting, pulling or breaking any grass, leaf, plant, tree is not allowed. Sexual intercourse, intimate talks, our intentions are sending a marriage proposal is not allowed in the Ihram. Then even nikah is not allowed in Ihram. Hunting, killing, anything in the Ihram is not allowed. Hunting and killing or pulling grass or trees are not allowed in the Haram even without Ihram. Then the next prohibition or restriction is covering the face, for women especially. Women are not supposed to cover their face during the Ihram, and men is not supposed to cover their head during the Ihram. And for men, wearing any stitched clothes, socks or covering head is not allowed. Women can wear the stitched clothes, regular dress as a Ihram, but they are not supposed to cover their face during the Ihram. These are some of the restrictions of the Ihram. I hope this was useful for you. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up button. If you didn't like, hit the thumbs down button. And let me know your thoughts in the comments. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, please consider subscribing so you can get the notifications. And when you subscribe, hit or click on the bell button, so this will allow you to get the notification whenever a new video is ready for watching. And see you next time. Watch the next episode. Ma salama.